Celebrated actress Amusa has taken to her Instagram account to share a remarkable story of royalty and history that has captured her imagination. In a recent post, she introduces her followers to a fascinating narrative centered around the reign of the youngest ruler, who held his throne for a staggering 700 years. This enchanting account has been brought to life through a film crafted by, in which Amusa plays a pivotal role, portraying the queen and wife of the illustrious king. The movie promises to be a riveting watch, as it unveils a tale never before seen, a king who reigned for an incredible 700 years. Amusa wrote. Holds the distinction of becoming the youngest Oba in the nearly 700-year history of. His reign also marks him as the longest-serving first-class monarch in Nigeria's history. The narrative delves into the story of continuous and selfless service, his unwavering stand against military and political powers, and his multifaceted character, educated, outspoken, philanthropic, and benevolent. A courageous and charismatic leader, legacy continues as he remains dedicated to serving as a custodian of culture and tradition. The film promises to shed light on a truly remarkable figure in Nigerian history, telling a tale of leadership, resilience, and cultural preservation.